Hey everyone. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. All right, so we came out with this really super cool stand for the original Jewel Loom Bead Loom. And not only has it been flying out the door, but we have been getting 1 5-star review after the next. Like it just, if you look in your social media feed, you are going to see this everywhere and wonder why. Why do they keep posting? Well, it's not us. It's actually all the reviews, and it's just one right after the other. We are so grateful. Thank you so much. I want to show you really quick how to use it. Okay, so when you order it, it's coming assembled, so you don't have to do anything. And it works with the original Jewel Loom. Okay, so this is the blue loom. Now, if you're not a bead weaver on a loom, then I've got all kinds of education where I can show you how to use it. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the Jewel Loom in its warped position. Okay, so what that means is that I've already warped the loom. And the warps are the strings, the material, in this case it's wildfire. And it goes from the back button here all the way around, all the way down, back around again, and up. Okay, so these are your warps. Okay, so now that we got that clear, after you do your warps, you take out your metal rod. Again, if this is like new to you, you don't have a clue what I'm talking about, I can teach you. Check out the Jewel Loom education and you'll get it, and I'm here for you. Okay, so we're going to take the Jewel Loom, and we've got the, let's see if we get this here. This would be the front of the stand. Okay, so the front, it's got the little hole right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to just place it into, it's like a little sleigh. It's so stinking cute. So the one button just fits into the round hole right here. And then the other side of it is just laying down secure. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the metal rod, all right, and we're going to, let me turn it around here. We're going to take the metal rod, it's got 2 ends to it, and I'm going to place it into that top hole, and then I'm going to secure it into the hole that is in the wood. It's so stinking cool. And now your loom is nice and secure. You can work with it in the upright position. So my warps now are in the front, and I can bead, I can do what I normally do, but it's in front of me and it's just gonna feel so good. All right, so then to take it apart, all you're gonna do is release the rod. And then if you want, you can also use the stand and the loom just nestled into the cute little spot there. See the little grooves? So it works both ways, upright and laying down. I can't, no matter, like no matter, like there's 5 stars everywhere, and it's just like in all of the feeds. So I thought, you know what, I should tell people what this thing is. It's not just cute. So the new Jewel Loom stand. So if you have a Jewel Loom, if you have an original blue Jewel Loom, okay, the queen now has a stand, and you need one. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, check out all of my education, and I love teaching, so I'm more than happy to share that with you. Thanks, everyone.